You are trespassing. You are trespassing. The next time you go to my client and say nonsense about me, I am going to court-martial you. By the time I court-martial you, I will throw you into the bar.
Yes.
By the time I throw you into the bar, I will judge your case. Judge your case and they will bring you out and throw you into a police cell. Nonsense.
Did you just say cell? Did you say cell? We'll throw him into the prison.
What?
Yes, since you don't want to mind your business. That is where you're supposed to be. How can you say my husband is not competent? Let me put it to you. My husband is a competent bastard. Some bastard. My husband is a competent barrister. Yes, that was the slip of teeth. Yes? You think it's easy to obtain a title called SAND, quote and unquote. SAND, that's senior advocate. Eh? My fellow is aware of it. I mean, Raskimono. Asim Raskimono. Kiyamo is a senior advocate. Yes.
He's
our fellow.
He's our senior advocate.
Do you know how long we have barristered? I was barristering. Nonsense.
The reverend lawyer.
Yes. Festus Kiyamo.
Yes.
Thank God you know.
Festus Kiyamo. He is our law advocate.
Our fellow.
All right, barristers. Whatever you call yourself, please. I will always stand on the truth. The Bible says you shall say the truth and it shall set you free.
Oh, yes.
So I want to ask you to stop displaying your crude level of incompetence in this community. Yes, we have had enough of you. Stop extorting money from people. And please, if you are not learned enough, if you're not educated, please go back to the university and get trained. The law profession is a noble profession. We don't need quacks and incompetent people around here. Nonsense.
This is libel. It's libel.
This is libel. This is libel.
I blame you, my fellow lordship.
Imagine.
I blame you because I told you. I warned you, but you didn't listen to me. I said, don't listen to the Igbo. He said, no, you want to help your maternal people. You want to help them in their land dispute. After your level of understanding, I know the kind of land dispute you have disputed in your entire life, in the process of your career.
Imagine.
Yes. I remember the bilateral landmark cases that you have handled.
Bilateral?
Yes. Bilateral. I handle all bilateral. I am a bilateralist. That is my cause.
Yes.
If you don't know it, give me the movie here. Do you know my level of lordship?
Yes.
Are we into the same grade?
Whatever it is you do does not represent the idea and philosophy of this community.
I will community.
Listen very carefully. Don't indulge into our intelligence.
That's it. If you indulge into our intelligence, I am going to dog again one time. You want to run out? My case of a root. My case of a root.